everybody, welcome back. Today I want to review for you a Sakuchi Air Fryer. If you remember a few weeks ago, John and I reviewed a Sakuchi crepe pan, and that pan was so phenomenal for making our crepes. When they asked if we would be interested in reviewing their air fryer and demonstrating it for you, we jumped at the chance for this. So come here and let me show you all about Sakuchi's Air. First and foremost, I want to show you the cord. It is removable so that when you go to store it, you can just wrap the cord up and put it on the inside in that basket. So it helps relieve some of the... As soon as you plug it in, as long as the basket's in place, the on button's going to come on and you get your options here. So it defaults to 360, 15 minutes. And if you want to up the time, you push the up, or you can push the minus sign to go down to however many minutes you want. And the same for the temperature. If you want to take it all the way up to 400, which is the max, just hold on that button, and you can also lower the temp by pressing the minus button. However, it comes with 10 presets on here, everything from cooking steak to reheating leftover pizza, and it's really easy and intuitive to use this. So you press the start button and you'll know it's working because the fan comes on and the little lights are coming up like on a runway. It's kind of neat. As a safety feature, when you pull this basket open, everything's going to stop. So you don't have to worry about accidental burns and all of that good stuff. So just...
And it resumes.
And it resumes. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out so I can show you the inside. This is the cooking basket. And you just pull the rack out to clean. It's easy to clean. It's all non-stick, and that is phenomenal. Even though it is non-stick, automatic dishwasher detergents are quite abrasive, and they can over time damage the surfaces. So I like to reserve my good stuff for hand washing only, and this is my good stuff. It's not going in the dishwasher, even though it can. So let's go ahead and show you how well this cooks. I'm going to start with my cheese on the bottom. Just want to spread it out pretty good so that you know you're going to have a piece or a bite of cheese in every bite. So here goes my chili. And you can see that that did get really thick, almost no liquid at all. And I did pull some of this out so I could save, because this is half of what I cooked, so that the rest of it still has a lot of liquid in it. I'm gonna give this a shot. Tuck that cheese in there. Okay, so I'm just gonna fold them over in half and take a fork and just mash. Take a fork and mash really hard. And this is how we're going to seal it up. At this point, I'm going to pick them up, kind of shake it down, and you can see I've got room in there for a little bit more filling if I want. Let's put another spoonful of the meat filling and just a little bit of cheese. And finish pressing that fork in there. My air fryer is already preheated, and I'm going to cook these at 400 degrees for 7 minutes on one side, and then I'm going to flip them over and 7 minutes on the other side, and we'll be done. I'm going to go ahead and put 2 of these in here. I'm going to adjust my temp. I want it at 400. And I'm going to cook for 7 minutes on each side, so I'm setting my timer for 7 minutes. Got 5 minutes left on that timer. I'm going to flip it so the whole back side gets crispy. Put them back in. And it picked up exactly where it left off. Get that empanada out of there. Busted some of the little bubbles that were in the dough, but look how beautiful that came out. The only way you're going to get a faster, better looking empanada is to go to somebody's grandmother's house who's already cooking them. So 15 seconds before my timer was up, everything closed down except for a 15-second countdown and the on or the power on off button. So that's kind of let you know if you want to add more time, go ahead and do it, because if I'm plugging back in or pushing back in, I have to start from scratch programming it, which is really no big deal. Turn it on. It has the default set already, 360 degrees at 15 minutes. And it's conveniently flashing that start button to let you know go ahead and start. So it makes a ding 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 noise when it's finished. This thing is awesome. I really enjoy it. I like it. Since this piece, whoops, I don't know if I can get it out of there. Yeah, here we go. Since this piece comes out like that, well, is removable, I should say. It's, like I said, it's very easy to wash. And in between cycles, say if I wanted to cook something else, just get them out of there with some tongs, take them over, brush it off, empty this out, and go ahead and cook my next cycle or my next entree or side dish. And everything is going to be wonderful. These, the foods that you cook in here, you can keep warm in your regular oven if you want to, if you're going to be cooking for more than just, 1 or 2 items. So once again, Sakuchi, we're leaving a link down below. Thank you very much for asking us to review this handsome air fryer. It's really nice. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. We're going to leave a link down below for Sakuchi. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Ring that bell. Give us a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Share this video everywhere. And most important, you come back. Thank you. Bye now.